Etopia was a group of Tongji professors, from big-scale urban planners to industry designers to project managers to material researchers. So that our aim is to change the energy use of human beings. So this diagram shows that the history of human beings, how we change from upground energy in agriculture time, that 200 years ago that people start to digging into the underground to get more high-density energy. But this caused a lot of problems, although we make it the world more efficiency, but also a lot of problems, whatever energy shortage or environment problem coming out. So that we strongly believe that with the technology innovation that we can change the percentage of the upground energy much more than history. That the eco going to be plus and energy consumption going to be reduced in per square meters. This coming to the Etopia. That when we see all this environment from a light bulb to the computer to the car, auto, transportation tools, all these goods in the last 50 or 30 years, they change from like the energy change to the lighter density of the energy and become more efficiency. So we strongly believe that from building level to the city level, they are also doing the same things that as computer CPU that we know that every 2 years they have half energy consumptions, but much more efficiency, double the efficiency in, from the technology support. We all join in, most of the Etopia members join in 2010 Expo planning and design. In this Expo 2010, we have a theme called City Beings, that we think that the city as an organic form is going to be much more advanced. They are always going to a more smart way. That in last earthquake in 2008 in Sichuan pushed Etopia start to change the bricks buildings in the farm rural area in China. We do a lot of demo studies, and we really, as a designers, we not only design, but also we build ourselves and then try to show it to the public how the housing level they can change. So every year we attend exhibition to show these kinds of new technology. Also, we try to introduce these kinds of new technology into African countries like Angola and Zambia. This is my design in Angola, in Zambia, Lusaka cities. We try to introduce the housing industry into the country and then build an industry zone. In the center was the exhibition center. Also, I try to plan Expo Village in an open system that we have a 8.4 grids modular system. And this project was 400,000 square meters, which is the biggest project in Expo. The thinking behind that was we focus on the energy and water components. Then later on, we're also doing the consulting work for hire. When the hire become like the biggest electronic devices, the companies in the world, that we try to guiding them into how to do a holistic solutions, not only for refrigerators and washing machines, but also try to use WeChat as a one platform that you are talking to the mobile phone, that you can control air conditions, TV in the same time. When the energy and the water consumptions be driven by the economy, driven by the information systems, that we can really booking our devices, home interior, all the components on iPad. So these kinds of open system make a house be possible to be upgraded generation by generation by user itself, not by developer nowadays. So, for example, the facade system, which when we show all the sunshine and also wind figures on every windows, every balconies, that we can use components to adopt to the needs from the nature, also from the users. So last year, I was the jury of Solar Decathlon China. And we can see that individual families' technology, sustainable and smart technology, be innovate in campus. But how all these technology can be pushed into the market, that we have two tunnels. One is like through our urban planners, when we cooperate with the city mayors, and we can design a bigger systems that we try to open the big system to every individual users, that when they make decisions, they can be adopt to the big systems. Second is that we can go more deep into every individual housing, every individual shells. These are the systems that we try to design for the African countries, developing countries, that we can use more soft material to create a mold, that the mold can have two layers. We have balloon support the inside layers, and then so that we can infill local materials to create walls, which we don't need any steel in between, so that we can create a very strong shells housing in this very simple way. And also, we try to make this system much more high-end, that we can have this soft mold inside, and the container can open by the air pressures, and then so that this machine can become like flexible travel as a network in mega cities, and they can create community activities through whatever lectures or like events or smart home experience, so that the ground floor is renewable energy and water devices. So it's driven by the DV rather than like now DC, not rather than now AC system. So that's what we are doing now. It's going on still. Thank you.